Hello, welcome to our flipped class for this third term, and this is for 8th grade. So our purpose today is to review the topics seen and to reinforce them. So first I want to check and review some vocabulary. So do you remember the sports that we learned? What's this? Do you remember? You remember badminton? What's next? What do you do here? And here? Do you remember the names of those sports? Do you like them? Alright. Now, for the next unit, we have city living, so we have the most important places that you can visit when you go to a city. So what's this? Do you remember how you call this? Have you visited one? Do you like stadiums? What can you see in a museum? Or what do you do in a mosque? Do you remember what's this? Or the name of this one? Alright, very good. So now we're going just to go through grammar. We saw the gerunds and infinitives, so we have two ways to say things to use the verbs. So we have I like to eat ice cream, that will be infinitive, or we can say I like eating ice cream. So we're going to learn when to use which one. So we use a infinitive after some specific verbs that you have to memorize. For example, decide. I decide to call my mother. Okay? Or I intend to meet my boyfriend tonight. So you use the verb, but after that verb you need the preposition to, and then the verb goes in the base form. Okay? Now with gerund, what you do is to add ing to the second verb. So for example, you have enjoy and you have to add ing to this one. So I enjoy playing soccer. Okay, so you need no preposition between both, but only to add ing. I told you how to learn this. You have to memorize the verbs, okay? And practicing is the way that you're going to get it. We have here some exercises, so you need to use gerund or infinitive. Let's do it. Great. Now the next topic that we saw was the determiners. We saw some of them, so I'm going to remind you. We have a or an, we have they, we have some quantifiers like a lot. In this case we used a all, or we learned both, another, or other. We'll see it later here. So we have some of them are to talk about specific things, like the car that I already mentioned before. Or we have some words, some articles like a or an to talk about general things. So I saw a blue butterfly. So I'm not saying specifically which one, but I'm saying that it was blue, but it could be anyone. So we use for general things or an when it's referring to one. We use another for singular or other for plural. And when we have already mentioned the noun, we can use they. Okay, that's specific. Alright, so now here you have an exercise. You have to circle the determiners in each sentence. So you have 3, 6, 9 sentences. So circle the determiners and tell me if they are specific or general. Okay, excellent. Now here you have some links to review and to reinforce and to practice and to have further explanations about the topics that we learned. Thank you.
Revoluciona tu clase.